Picture this: no income taxes eating away at your Social Security or savings. Every dollar stays in your pocket. President Trump's 2025 tax plan could make that real, but it comes with a $10 trillion catch. Welcome to Financial Talks, your go-to for economic news. Today, we're decoding Trump's tax overhaul. Will it secure your retirement or spark chaos? Smash that like button and let's dive in. Financial problems hit hard. Did you know they're a top cause of anxiety for retirees? Meet Sarah, a 61-year-old retiree I chatted with last week. Taxes on my Social Security feel like theft, she said. I just want to enjoy life. President Trump's plan could change that. Trump's big pitch, no income taxes for anyone under $150,000, 93% of Americans, per 2022 census data. If you're retired with $50,000 from Social Security and savings, you'd keep it all tax-free. He's also pushing no taxes on tips or overtime, saving $100 billion over a decade. Imagine your daughter, a nurse, keeping every overtime dollar. Sweet, right? But here's the rub. Some fear businesses might favor tips over wages, squeezing the working class. Could this hurt your kids' paychecks? Drop a comment. What would tax-free tips mean for your family? And whispers about billionaires dodging taxes as tips sound far-fetched but raise eyebrows. Here's the hurdle. Cutting taxes for those under $150,000 could cost $10 trillion over 10 years, per the Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget. Add payroll taxes and it's $15 trillion, pushing debt to 132% of GDP by 2035. For retirees, that risks inflation spiking your costs or pressure on Medicare. Trump's fix? Tariffs. A 10% universal import tax, higher for some nations. They're a huge revenue producer but could add $1,300 to household costs in 2025. Sarah's worried about her grocery bill. Would you trade lower taxes for pricier essentials? Hit the comments and weigh in. The top 1% might foot part of the bill. Trump's open to raising their taxes, possibly from 37% to 39.6%. He told senators, "I'm fine paying more to help others." But the House wants a bigger SALT deduction, a break for millionaires. It's a balancing act. Elon Musk is pushing to cut $2 trillion in government spending, $1 trillion more likely. But what gets slashed? Social Security? Sarah's nervous. She relies on it. What benefit matters most to you? Share below and let's talk. Congress holds the key. The House and Senate are in heated congressional negotiations over the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, expiring in 2025. Without action, retirees face a massive tax hike. A recent budget resolution greenlit $5.3 trillion in tax cuts, but details like SALT deductions are sticky. Sarah's question haunts me. Will my benefits stay tax-free? It depends on these talks. Lawmakers want growth without gutting the federal budget. Ever felt stuck in political limbo? Comment. What's your biggest worry about this plan? No income taxes under $150,000 means more for healthcare or travel. Tax-free Social Security? A dream. But tariffs could hike costs and debt risks inflation, squeezing savings. Business tax breaks might lift your 401k if benefits survive cuts. 2025 is make or break. Will Trump's vision deliver a retirement boom or a bust? We're watching closely. How would no taxes change your plans? Share in the comments. If this clarified your financial future, hit that like button. It keeps us going. Subscribe and tap the bell for daily retiree-focused updates. Share with a friend stressing their nest egg. Last question. Would you take no taxes if benefits shrink? Drop your thoughts. I read every comment. See you next time.